Walmart just fired everyone, and here's what it says about your future. All right, maybe not everyone, but there was a massive leadership shakeup at Walmart. Doug McMillon, the most important CEO since Sam Walton, is now out. Consider some of these changes. Doug McMillon is out as Walmart's global CEO. John Furner is now in. John Furner is out as Walmart's US CEO. David Gugina is in. And bonus, Walmart just established a brand new global role. And Seth Dallaire is in as Chief Growth Officer. So what does any of that have to do with your future? Well, let's look at their backgrounds. John Furner oversaw Walmart's digitization. In other words, their transition from pure retail to e-com. David Gugina was most recently the chief of Walmart's e-commerce. And Seth Dallaire once led Walmart Connect, which is Walmart's digital ad platform. This is a signpost for what Walmart just made strategic. Walmart is now hyper-focused on marketplace, retail media, delivery, e-commerce, and data. In other words, Walmart is going digital. The physical shelf is now going to be behind a digital screen. Sometimes that screen will be in your home, sometimes that screen will be in your hand, and sometimes that screen will be in the store. Walmart is rebuilding everything around digital. Now for brands, how much should they focus on e-commerce if 80% of sales are still in store? Well, we're entering an age where everything is e-commerce. Everything in the store is a digital touch point. There are screens on end caps, there are kiosks in the front of the store, and shelf tags are now digital. Walmart understands this. Heck, they're driving it. So if you want control of your sales in store, you need to understand that they're going to come through a screen more and more every day. All right, congratulations to Doug McMillon for a game well played. What a legend. This is not your granddaddy's Walmart anymore. All right, guys, that's it for today. Please hit that like button, leave me a comment, tell me what else you want me to cover, and we'll see you in the next one.